Hey, what's up, guys? So let's solving this 17991 find center of star graph. Okay, so yeah, I mean you can just directly see a picture, right? So 2, 4, 1, 3. So 2 is a star. So the idea is that there is always a star, right? I think this is the question. There's always a star. Okay, so right, you need to find 2. This is simple, right? Because this is a star. So if you just take the first 2 edges and you see where they are in common, right? So 2 is in common, so 2 is the answer. For this one, 1 is the answer, right? So actually, we only need the first 2, right? We just compute its intersection. Oh, so my idea is take A, let's say A to be edge 0, and then B to be, let's say edges 1, and then let's say for I and B, A, if I and B, right, you just go the first one and then whether check whether this is right, and then you just return. Right, so just use these 2 and then you count. This is very trivial, right? You can definitely solve this without hesitation. Okay, so see you guys next videos.